at a graph of just distance over time in a 10,000 meter run. And we're interpreting what this means. So and there's two runners. We've got one runner G of t and one runner F of t. And so which runner is running faster at T1? Well, runner F is running faster because they've traveled roughly 4,000 meters in that time, whereas G of t has gone less than 500, or less than 1,000, it looks like. So who's running faster? G of t, our runner G. What can we say about their rates at T2? Well, the rates, that poor runner F, while they start out faster, they realized, oh boy,